Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you the analysis for the movement on the gold price, as well as how can the gold can perform tomorrow, and what is the movement of the gold. What is the movement of the gold? See, as we know that the gold price is moving in this particular range for a period of time. Okay, so what we have to understand that 18,049 is a big support. Okay, plus if and 18,056 is a big support, a big resistance, and the gold price is moving in this particular range for a period of time. And from as we can see. Okay, so now what we have to understand by looking at this chart, see, if the gold price goes below 1850, then there is chances that the price can come down to 1847. Okay, if the gold price goes above 1856, then there is chances that the gold price can go to 1859, 1862 to 1868. So what we have to understand, see, the longer view, the gold price is particularly moving in this particular range. Okay, see, so 1859. So now once the 1859 the resistance is broken or broke, then there are high chances that the gold price can move up to 1862 to 1868. Okay, so now let's go, let's see a longer perspective, a longer view. See, so now if you wanted to invest now, I would suggest that let the 1856 level cross, then there you can take 1860 as your next target, and then 1860 you can wait for 1864, the next target after that. So this is what the price what is suggesting is here is that the market is in this particular range. So see, the market moved up, made a W pattern, moved up and moved in this particular range. Once the range is broken, see, at this level the range is broken, at this level went down in this particular range again. So now this is a particular range. Once the range is broken, then there are high chances that it can go to 1859, 1860. So let's the 1856 range broken, then there are high chances, then you can treat 1862 as a new target and 1864 as again a new target. And then I have already suggested that 1826, if it goes above 1835, then it's chances that the gold price can go up, which has already gone up to around 1870. Okay, after that now you can take 1856 as a support, and I suggest you have a good buy at this level, and with a target of 1864, and the big support at this level is 1850. Okay, 1850, take this as a support, and I can give a longer view for this. Thank you. If you like channel, if you like the channel.